Welcome to JH. If you're looking to save some cash on your Kakobuy orders, you've come to the right place, because paying full price is basically a cry for help. Head over to jadeship.com to find a constantly updated list of discounts that might actually make your wallet stop crying. First on the list is the welcome bonus for new users, boasting a grand total of $105. Naturally, this is split across multiple coupons, because giving it to you all at once would be far too convenient. You can also grab a shipping coupon worth about $15 to help soften the blow of international delivery costs that usually cost more than the items themselves. By entering the promo code JADESHIP, you can unlock those instant shipping discounts and keep more of your money where it belongs. Other active deals include 10% off site-wide and up to 15% off selected items this month. They've even tossed in 2 free shipping codes for December, which is perfect for those of you planning to order the entire warehouse in one go. Whether you're a brand new buyer grabbing that $105 bonus or a seasoned pro looking for shipping deals, these are the best Kakobuy offers for December 2025. So, which coupon are you going to use to justify your next shopping spree?